Do you sell on Amazon KDP? Then get ready for Halloween with these Halloween coloring pages for kids. 30 high-quality Halloween coloring pages for kids bonus, 62 high-quality PNG clip art elements. What's inside? In the zip file, you'll find the following: 30 high-quality coloring pages, 62 high-quality PNG clip art elements, KDP ready, tested, source files included, AI, EPS, SVG size, 8.5 by 11 inch. Pay once, use forever bonus, competitor list plus keywords for you to use. What a bonus! You'll also receive a full list with all your competitors, alongside with their earnings for the current month. As another bonus, we'll include a list of keywords for you to use. License and rights allowed to, yes, use for personal use. Yes, use for commercial use, as in to create end products to sell in various marketplaces in the form of physical and digital copies. Yes, use in the books that you sell commercially. Yes, use in the print-on-demand products that you sell commercially. Yes, color and use in your commercial projects in addition to other elements to make them different from the original artwork. Yes, add your patterns and make it your own to use in your low-content books. Yes, create your own design with the drag-and-drop components. Not allowed to, no, cannot include, give or sell the source files to clients or customers. All files must be flattened before selling. No, cannot give away for free. Cannot sell or give away PLR rights, resell rights, master resell rights or any other rights. No, cannot use in any free or paid membership site as membership content. No, cannot use our brand/name in any end products that may be construed as an endorsement. No, cannot use these files on any pod platform that will allow customers to download the digital files as well. Print only,